Hey, what's up, y'all? It's 2 at Yellow GX. So today is just a real short video on a new piece that I bought. I was browsing through the Gixxer page and I saw this little piece. It's a handle from Ohana. Please correct me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Ohana Rig Supply. And it's just a handle for the rear hatch. So mine broke since I've had the vehicle. So actually when I saw this come up, it was almost a no-brainer. I needed a new handle. I saw the pictures on the website and everything, and it looked like a real cool design. So let's unbox it and install it, and then I'll give you a quick little review of what I think. Well, that's all. It's nice and snug. It was pretty easy. I did have to shave, as in the instructions it does say that in some GX you will have to shave. In this case, I was hoping that didn't have to, so it'd be that much simpler. But I did have to shave with my Dremel. Now, if you had a file, which is what they recommend, I'd probably be a lot easier, but I just didn't have one. Made it work. Real nice, simple install, and now I finally have a handle again. It's nice and sturdy, and didn't even have to dismount the panel, so that's always nice as well. So, yeah, check them out.